Today I'm making glow slime. I really enjoy these sensory activities. As you can tell from my cloud dough recipe and tutorial, I am going to use a kit. I'm using this kit because it's really easy. I don't have to use borax. I don't have to use contact solution. I just use glue and their cool little magic liquid. So it comes with 2 different glues. Then you have 2 different magic liquid bottles. So you get 4 things in total. From looking at the instructions, you have leftover magic liquid. So that tells me you could go out and buy more glue and then you still have some of this activator left and you can make more slime later. So basically the instructions on the back, which are really cut and dry and simple, it's basically dump the glue in. Now that the bottle is destroyed, we add in the magic liquid. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of the magic liquid. So I've got a teaspoon right here. Oh, the magic liquid is not liquid. Well, it doesn't say to shake it or anything, so it's not really liquid. It's kind of goopy. All right, so 1 and 2. Now that those are in there, we're just gonna give it a nice big stir. Okay, so the consistency of this is still a bit too runny. So what I'm gonna do is add more of the magic liquid stuff, and it says to add just a little bit at a time until I have the consistency I want, but like up to another teaspoon's worth. So we'll see how much more I need. I'm gonna do about like a half a teaspoon. Okay, so mine's still a little gloppy. It's still runny. It's not very slime-like yet. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, maybe another half a teaspoon. I really hope this firms up because this is gonna be kind of dumb if it doesn't actually work. And I'm gonna be like, Elmer's, you did not make a good kit. This really isn't slimifying very well yet. I guess just add more and more and more until it finally does what I want. Also, something that I think is pretty cool about this is that all of it, even the magical liquid, is non-toxic. It is safe. Let's see what it says. It says it's washable, it's safe, it's non-toxic. It says I'm supposed to knead it after I stir it, so I'll do that. Like I'm making bread or something. The glues that they included are also kind of fun because they have glitter in them. I have a theory about why they put glitter in it. One, it's just fun. It's cool. We all like glitter, especially when it's not just like getting all over everything all the time. If it's condensed into one spot, it's happy glitter. Another thought I had with it is that glitter is also very reflective. So if you're making glow slime, like we are, it's very possible that the glitter inside helps reflect the glowing nature of it, the glowing element of it, and makes it actually glow more. Do I know this for a fact? Yeah. Is it a theory I have? Yes, it is. I don't know why, but for some reason this yellow color makes me feel like I'm kneading a bunch of mucus, and it's gross and somewhat oddly satisfying. Are we ready to see it glow? It is the middle of the day, but I will go ahead and take you guys into my closet where it's gonna be extra dark. Woohoo! Look at it glowing! That's really fun, actually. Oh, and you can see all the residue in the bowl. Something of quick note right here, I am making the purple one too because I thought it would be fun to see both of them glow. And I got really impatient, so I dumped the glue in, and instead of adding just the 2 teaspoons of the magical liquid, I added like 4 to just get going. And it made it so it didn't mix very well, and it was very clumpy, and I've had to work with it really hard to get it to mix. So if you're doing this, you need to make sure you only start with the 2 so that it mixes well, and then you can add more and it won't be so clumpy. So just thought I'd share in case you were doing this too. Also, something else, the purple one, it only took like 4.5 tablespoons instead of 5. So it might just vary depending on how much glue you get out of the bottle. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, I'm done.